Hello everybody, this is Tahir from Magnificent Aqua Fisheries, and today we bring you the fry harvest of one of our live bearers. It is called Golden Endler Guppies. So this is the tank that you see in front of you right now. We have the net to catch the fishes, the fries. We have tub 1 that is for the young ones, and then we have tub 2 here, which is for the parents. This is the inner hapa. This outside one is the outer hapa. While we are harvesting this, I will further explain you on what these different hapas do, right? So this tank also has aeration, if you notice. So we will start with removing the aeration. We are going to take the parents out from the inner cage, taking a close-up. So this is the inner cage. There are parent fishes into this, which I'll show you in a minute, and these are going into this container here. We have a weekly fry harvest cycle. Not weekly, it is fortnight. Once we will be harvesting fries. So we will cover the complete information on what happens to the fries. When I say fries, these are the young fishes, just born or maximum of 2 weeks old fishes. We will have to further grow them out in order for them to be able to be marketable. Accelerating this process, and I'll come back to you once the parent harvest is done. Alright, so we are done with the parents. So we will have to get rid of this inner hapa, which can be lifted like this. It's made by a PVC material and a 6mm nylon knotless net. So this is going to go out of this tank. Now all we have here is the tank itself, of course, and we have a outer hapa, which is this, which is a very thin nylon screen. So we are going to pull this in one direction, and we will have all the young ones trapped in there, which we will harvest and put it into this container, which we will be doing now. So the walls that you see, these walls, they look dirty. This is basically algae. This tank was last harvested about 2 weeks back. We keep pulling the net out in order for us to make it quite shallow for the fries to be easily removable from the water body. Right, so here we are. So I'm going to take a deep dive into this shallow water to show you the amount of fries here. those were the fries, as you could see in there. So we will go ahead and harvest those fries now using a small hand net. This hand net is dragged into the water body and fries are collected and stored into this water body here. This is the tub. This is about a feet wide and about 2 feet long, and it's having about 3 to 4 inches of water. So we will have to do multiple scoops in order to get all the fries from the water body, which is in progress right now. So just giving you a little heads up and little information about the live bearer, this variety of the guppies, it belongs to a live bearer family. When I say live bearer, it means it gives birth to a young one. It doesn't lay eggs. And we follow a certain ratio, male and female ratio, which is this. It's the parents. And these fishes basically are the parents of these young ones. We are continuing to do a collection here. We are done with the fry harvest here. So there are no more fries into this shallow net, basically the Velon screen or the nylon screen, and all the fries are collected here. I'm going to leave the camera into this water body so that you can have a look at the fries. And once the fry harvest is completed, I will further inform you and show you the water conditions from within the water without the cages. When I say cages, I'm talking about this and the inner cage, which was here where the parents were kept. So those were the fries. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll also give you a small glimpse with how their parents look. Again, repeating the name, this is golden antler guppy. I hope you enjoyed it. That was the golden antler guppy. Those were the parent fishes basically, and the other tub, which is this, the container where you saw the young ones which we harvested now. So basically, to complete with this video, to give you a heads up, so we went ahead and harvested the fries, and these fries will now go into a bigger rearing tank which is outside this unit, which I'll show you in the future videos. Now that water body is basically green water. We will talk more about it in our next episode. So here we have inner cage and outer cage, as I told. Inner cage and outer cage, the reason why we have it is most of these live bearer fishes, as I told you, have cannibalism. They tend to eat on their own young ones. In order to avoid that, we use an inner cage where we keep the parents, and the mesh size is around 3 mm to 6 mm depending on the parent size. So the parents won't be able to come outside. When the fries are born, they escape outside into a screen, which is this outer hopper. hence resulting in better production. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.